Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on and your scanner showing P0145? This means your car's oxygen sensor isn't responding fast enough, which could lead to poor fuel efficiency, high emissions, or even sluggish engine performance. In this video, we'll break down what P0145 means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around to avoid expensive repairs. What does P0145 mean? The P0145 trouble code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Slow Response, Bank 1 Sensor 3. Oxygen sensors measure oxygen levels in the exhaust and send voltage signals to the engine control module, or ECM. If the sensor reacts too slowly to exhaust gas changes, the ECM can't adjust the fuel-air mixture properly, causing performance issues. Symptoms of P0145 include the following: the check engine light comes on, poor acceleration or a sluggish engine, rough idling or hesitation, increased fuel consumption, and a failed emissions test. Common causes of P0145 are as follows. First, an aging or faulty oxygen sensor, specifically Bank 1 Sensor 3. Over time, sensors degrade and respond slower. Second, exhaust leaks. A leak before the sensor can cause false readings. Third, carbon buildup on the sensor. Dirt and deposits slow down response time. Fourth, damaged or shorted wiring. Corroded or frayed wires can reduce signal speed. And fifth, fuel system issues. A rich or lean mixture can overload the sensor. The location of Bank 1, Sensor 3 is as follows. Bank 1 is the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Sensor 3 is the downstream oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter near the muffler. This sensor helps the ECM monitor catalytic converter efficiency and fuel trim. Alright, let's talk about the wiring harness location. The sensor has a 4-wire connector that leads straight to the ECM. The heater circuit for this sensor is powered by a fuse, which is usually found in the engine bay fuse box. You should check for any burned wires, corrosion, or loose connections, especially under the car near the exhaust. Now let's inspect the oxygen sensor and its wiring. First, locate Bank 1, Sensor 3, and check for any loose or damaged wires. Be sure to look for melted insulation or any signs of corrosion near the exhaust system. Next, it's time to check for exhaust leaks. Listen carefully for a hissing sound near the catalytic converter. To be thorough, you can use soapy water to check for leaks around the exhaust connections. Clean or replace the oxygen sensor. If the sensor is covered in carbon buildup, remove it and clean it with sensor-safe cleaner. If cleaning doesn't work, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensor. Check fuel trim and mixture. Use an OBD-II scanner to check fuel trim values. A rich or lean mixture can cause slow sensor response. Alright, now it's time to clear the code and take your car for a test drive. First, reset the P0145 code with an OBD-II scanner. Then, drive for a few miles and check to see if the code returns. And there you have it. That's how you fix P014502 Sensor Circuit Slow Response, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If your car is hesitating, using too much fuel, or failing emissions, make sure to check your oxygen sensor and wiring. For more car fixes, you might want to watch these next: P0043 HO2 Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1 Sensor 3, and P0044 HO2 Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car repair tips from IG Garage. See you in the next one.